Have you ever noticed how normal debt has become in everyday life? Nearly everything we buy today comes with a payment plan attached, but one type of debt people defend the most is car loans. Unlike credit card debt, car debt feels responsible. People say, "It's just my car payment," and that language makes the burden feel smaller than it is. Today we'll uncover the hidden truth behind car loans. People no longer ask, "How much does this car cost?" They ask, "How much is the monthly payment?" That single question changes everything. Dealers don't care if you can afford the full price. They only care if you can handle the monthly bill. That's the game. Stretch the loan, lower the payment, and hide the real cost. Suddenly, luxury feels affordable. But the contract is more than paperwork. Every payment is a claim on your future labor. Your future mornings and overtime are already spoken for. You're committing years of your life to today's decision, and you have no idea what life will look like then. Job loss, rent hikes, and emergencies can happen anytime, but the car payment remains, month after month, without fail. Cars lose value incredibly fast. The moment you drive away, depreciation begins. Yet many finance them like investments. Borrowing for something that shrinks in value is painful math. Your money is funding depreciation, not wealth. And the biggest cost isn't just interest, it's opportunity cost. An $800 payment costs more than $800. It steals investments, savings, and freedom. Monthly payments hide the true price. $800 feels manageable, but over 7 years, it becomes a fortune. Add insurance, fuel, and repairs, and the total skyrockets. In the end, you own a used car worth far less. Now imagine investing that same money instead. $800 a month can build serious wealth. Compound growth can outperform any car, but commercials never show that comparison. Because car ads don't sell numbers. They sell freedom, status, and success. The vehicle becomes part of your identity. It feels like proof that you've made it. We all want visible signs of progress, but financing status keeps people financially stuck. Debt quietly steals flexibility. It makes leaving a toxic job harder. It limits your ability to take risks. Your paycheck is claimed before you earn it, and that keeps you trapped in place. The surprising part is how normal it looks. Most people in car debt seem ordinary. They're co-workers, neighbors, and friends, sacrificing future wealth for present appearance. Does that mean financing is always bad? Of course not. Reliable transportation matters. The key is buying a tool, not a burden. Your car should support your future. Truly wealthy people often drive modest vehicles, while others finance the illusion of wealth. Next time you see an expensive truck, pause. Don't ask how much it costs. Ask how much future income it required. Because the sticker price isn't the biggest cost. The real cost is lost freedom and missed wealth. Now you see car payments differently. If this changed your perspective, leave a like. Sometimes, one insight changes everything. The monthly payment trap is easy to miss. Subscribe for more financial truths. Let's keep going. The total cost often shocks people. Opportunity cost is where wealth disappears. Small monthly payments create massive totals. Depreciation works against you every day. Investing works for you every day. Debt reduces your choices. Dealers focus on monthly affordability. Your future self carries today's decisions. Wealth rarely looks flashy. Debt can trap you in bad jobs. Luxury often hides financial stress. Status symbols don't equal net worth. That's the moment the game becomes clear. Longer loans make expensive cars feel cheap. Paychecks can vanish before they arrive. Transportation can cost 6 figures over a decade. Ads sell emotions, not math. Ghost costs are the dreams you postponed. Signing the contract starts the countdown. Negative equity rolls into the next loan. Years later, the value gap becomes obvious. Price tags can exceed annual salaries. Many people are silently carrying this burden. Nuance matters. Cars are tools when used wisely. Don't let your vehicle control you. Wealth is often understated. Financing can create a polished illusion. Language shapes how debt feels. Debt can lock important doors. Breaking big costs into small pieces hides reality. A car payment is a subscription to a past decision. Life can change dramatically during a 7-year loan. Freedom has an invisible price. Compound growth rewards patience. Interest and depreciation hit at the same time. Cars often represent identity more than transportation. The numbers tell the real story. Your future self may question this purchase. Total ownership costs are far larger than expected. Test drives are designed to trigger emotion. Looking wealthy and being wealthy are different. How much future income did this vehicle consume? A car can be an anchor or a launch pad. Emergencies expose tight finances. Rolling debt creates a cycle. Many dreams are delayed by monthly payments. Every payment is a piece of your future surrendered.